You may be asking yourself, who is a 100-year real estate investor? Well, it's someone just like you and someone just like us. We love taking care of our families. We love creating generational wealth and leaving a legacy for the next generation. Some of those characteristics that a 100-year real estate investor exhibit: number one, responsibility junkie. We are 100% responsible for all of our actions. Long-term mindset. We're not looking for today. We're looking for years and years out, sometimes 100 years out. Our decisions affect not only us, but our kids and our grandkids as well. We value assets over liabilities. We're people of character, high morals, and high integrity. It's all about value-based decision-making with a 100-year real estate investor. And finally, that shiny object syndrome. No shiny object syndrome. We're always focused on the long term. Now, as real estate investors, what are we looking for? We're looking to buy assets in emerging markets and hold those assets. Now, what we love to do is we just love to utilize leverage. And by utilizing leverage, we utilize the dual asset strategy by investing in one asset, ending up with two. Now, we're looking for others to join the 100-year real estate investor community. We're always looking for people who want to create a legacy and impact others' lives. We're our stewards of our own money, and we're stewards of our children's money. So do me a favor. I want you to click on that link down below, schedule a call with one of our 100-year real estate members, and we'll see you on the other side.